Namaste, Vidya. I, Jv'n Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today, our topic is DBMS serializability. When multiple transactions are running concurrently, then there is a possibility that the database may be left in an inconsistent state. Serial serializability is a concept that helps us to check which schedule are serializable. A serializable schedule is the one that always leaves the database in consistent state. मतलब हम क्या करते हैं जब डेटाबेस हमारा कंसिस्टेंट स्टेट पर और अगर उसको लीव कर दिया जाए तो वो हमारा सीरीज में होता है. जैसे हमारा 1 2 3 4 5 ये सब हमारा सीरीज में है. ठीक है, तो हमारा जो ट्रांजेक्शन जो होगा वो रनिंग क्या होगा कॉन्करेंटली होगा, तो उसकी पॉसिबिलिटीज क्या हो जाती है इनकंसिस्टेंट स्टेट की कम हो जाती है. ठीक है, सो सीरियजेबल शेड्यूल क्या होता है? एक a serial schedule leaves the database in consistent state. A serial schedule is always a serializable schedule because in serial schedule, a transaction only start when the other transaction finished execution. However, a non-serial schedule needs to be checked for serializability. A non-serial schedule of n number of transactions is said to be serializable schedule if it is equivalent to the serial schedule of those n transactions. A serial schedule doesn't allow concurrency. Only one transaction execute at a time and the other start when the already running transaction finished. So there are two types of serializability. First one is conflict serializability and second one is view serializability. What is conflict serializability? A conflict serializability is a schedule which is called conflict serializable if we can convert it into a serial schedule after swapping its non-conflicting operations. So what is conflicting operation? So conflicting operation are the two operations are said to be in conflict if they satisfy all the following three conditions. Both the operation should belong to different transaction. Both the operation are working on the same data items. At least one of the operation is the right operation. Let's see some example to understand this. Example first, operation W function of X of transaction T1 and operation R of function X of transaction T2 are conflicting operation because they satisfy all the three conditions mentioned above. They belongs to different transactions. They are working on the same data item X. One of the operation in right operation. What is the view serializability? The view serializability are those. It is a process to find out that a given schedule is view serializable or not. To check whether a given schedule is view serializable, we need to check whether the given schedule is view equivalent to its serial schedule. So let's take an example to understand what I mean by that. Given schedule T1 and T2, R of X function, W of X function, T2 R of X function, W of X function, then RY and WY, then RY and WY. ठीक है, पहले T1 कंप्लीट होगा, T1 का एक स्टेप कंप्लीट होगा, देन T2 का फर्स्ट स्टेप कंप्लीट होगा, देन T1 का सेकंड स्टेप कंप्लीट होगा, आफ्टर देन T2 का सेकंड स्टेप कंप्लीट होगा, मतलब 1 by 1 हमारा ये वर्किंग चलेगी. तो serial schedule of the ever given schedule, as we know that in serial schedule a transaction only start when the current running transaction is finished. So the serial schedule of the given schedule would look like this. देखो, इसकी अगर हम बात करें व्यू सीरियलाइजेबिलिटी की तो सबसे पहले क्या होगा, एक एक करके खत्म होगा. पहले दो 3 फ्रेंड्स हैं तो पहले हर एक फ्रेंड का 1 होगा, देन सेकंड फ्रेंड का 1 होगा, जैसे कि आप गोलगप्पे सिस्टम होता है, सबका एक एक होता है. अब यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं T1 एंड 2 सीरियल शेड्यूल में क्या होगा कि पहले 1 फ्रेंड की पूरी ही चीजें कंप्लीट हो जाएंगी, उसके बाद T2 का पूरा कंप्लीट होगा, उसके बाद T3 का कंप्लीट होगा. जैसे आपकी एग्जामिनेशन, आपको जो रिपोर्ट कार्ड मिलता है सारे एग्जाम एक साथ होने के बाद, फिर सेकंड एग्जाम होने के बाद, फिर थर्ड एग्जाम होने के बाद, फिर फोर्थ एग्जाम होने के बाद. सो ये हो गया हमारा सीरियल शेड्यूल. सो इफ वी कैन प्रूव दैट द गिवन शेड्यूल इज व्यू equivalent to its serial schedule, then the given schedule is called a view serializable. So why we need view serializability? We know that a serial schedule never leaves the database in consistent state because there are no concurrent transaction execution. However, a non-serial schedule can leave the database in inconsistent state because there are multiple transactions running concurrently. So by checking that a given non-serial schedule is view serializable, we make sure that it is a consistent schedule. You may be wondering, instead of checking that a non-serial schedule is serializable or not, can't we have serial schedule all the time? The answer is no, because concurrent execution of transaction fully utilize the system resource and are considerably faster compared to serial schedule. So I hope आपको इस वीडियो में क्लियर हुआ होगा कि conflict and view serializability क्या होती है. If you have any query, any doubt, then message me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Result Brother 2.0. Thank you.